nga dito ay naimbaggal na yung ading NGM, thank you kan amin nga kadoy dito 97.7 pa-request man that God gave me you kung nakat kakangkantata lang din na minsan dito and ito pa nun request ko man Love's Grown Deep for Kathy and Ronald partida no umay nga Sabado. Thank you ading June and Balong from Liza Cabal. So they're requesting for the song Love's Grown Deep. Apo kini para kini kabsat Kathy kini Ronald Love's Grown Deep. Ngarud dahito yun apo that they request you Love's Grown Deep.
The Love's Grown Deep nga may paaya po may ruknuy kini kapsat Kathy kini kapsat Ronald nga ag-celebrate to iti 25th silver wedding anniversary sa Hawaii kat umay kami to dita numatandanon ti panawon. May sabi po nga request nagapakini man ang Darlene Can kuna natin June request ko man that I have a nose dedicated to all my kids GNB KB kuna na ayan kat once again we'd like to thank you manang Darlene for the nakaimimas apo nga merienda that you provided ayan kat
Madimi may ibos, may sabi ga umo nga pansit kan Jollibee in order niya mag. Ngayon dati request mo manang agor kata is plaster ko man tayo pagpagik ta tukarak da ito yung aming ka. Guyo demantorkan pa kasi pansit. Okay, hindi ko request mo manang. Last one. Ayan, prepare na ako.
She's always on my mind from the time I wake up till I close my eyes. She's everywhere I go. She's all I know. Though she's so far away, getting stronger every day. And even now she's gone, I'm still holding on. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't want to let her go. My friends keep telling me that if you really love her, you've got to set her free. And if she returns in kind, I know she's mine. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe our hearts will find their way, but only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray, 'cause heaven knows why I live in despair. 'Cause wide awake we're dreaming now that she's ever there. And every time I act so brave, I'm shaking inside. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. And maybe our hearts will find
Apo nagsaki mo ti ima kung tanagadayo mo dyan keyboard. Nakagawa atak nga mang tukar apo dito ang kansyon niya mak. At manong pakablaw man, the advance happy Valentine kinilakay ko nga Alfonso Predicala. I love you. Paingat ka ko na lagi at sa biyahe. Pa-request man tayo Endless Love. With no Endless Love. Kung na naman. Endless Love. As requested. Thank you Manong June and ating John Mark ko na so pilyan tayo laangan iti makansunon ta manulang orasan 30 minutos lang yanan kat Endless Love ang kakitaan datay lyrics ang balong ta hami nga memorize eta ngarud para king ka ating Endless Love aguro ka parta ka si Budak Endless Love. Balinan? Baka tapay pangablaw dito balong. Gana berpero ko. Dito ay lyrics na DJ kantata.
Bata pa.
Ay, taka manan. Kitang kita DJ lyricsan.
Nga tali. Ada toran.
Ada tan.
Fuan. Dajalaan kot madepang kabel.
Wan aku kata ada sedekah ada Narod. Para kada iti awan apo iti sarday iti panagdunguday iti maysa kan maysa dati nga sonata. Maysa apo nga kinapudno nga iti Valentine's Day katag nanayon. Hanlang kami maysa aldaw. Kasi endless apo ti panagayat. Oy, di ba?
There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
in your eyes,
Your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh, yes, you will always be my endless love. Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives has just begun.
forever.
I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. Oh, love, I'll be a fool for you. I'm sure.
You know I don't mind.
Oh, you know I don't mind, 'cause you mean the world
From this moment, I have been blessed.
I'll live only for your happiness,
And for your love,
I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart.
I can't wait to live my life for you. I can't wait to start.
You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment on. You're the reason I believe in love.
And you're the answer to my prayer from up above.
All we need is just the two of us.
My dreams came true because of you. From this moment,
As long